Since its arrival in 2017, the Model 3 is easily the most popular Tesla you can buy, and for good reason. It's the most affordable, it looks good, it's a four-door sedan, so it caters to a lot of people. Because of its popularity, the aftermarket industry is booming with cool Model 3 body kits. So today, I want to show you guys several different Model 3 body kits out there. So if you've been thinking about getting one, now you have an idea what's out there. And I'm sure there's a lot more out there than the ones I'm going to show. So if you know of one that I missed, feel free to comment down below so then you can help out anyone else who's looking for a body kit. I picked out a pretty good variety of kits in terms of styling. Basically, they range from subtle and conservative to the more sporty / radical kits out there. So you see both ends of the spectrum. A few things to know about body kits if you plan on getting one for the first time. Number one, body kits range from simplistic to extensive in terms of installation. Some can just be taped and screwed on, while some require paint, cutting, and even drilling. Number two, body kits don't all fit the same. They vary in quality, so do your research before buying one. Number three, they come in different materials, carbon fiber, fiberglass, or polyurethane being the most popular materials. I'll start with the more subtle and conservative kits and move towards the sporty, radical ones, but besides that, the order in which I'm showing you the kits have nothing to do with quality, pricing, or anything like that. If you like a kit that I'm showing you, please do more research before actually buying it. So the first kit is Novatech. This is definitely the most settled kit on my list. Clean, simple pieces, perfect for adding some high quality carbon fiber without taking away from the OEM look. You get a front lip, side skirts, rear diffuser, and a rear spoiler. And these are all made in Germany, so you know you're getting with really nice stuff. Next is T Sportline. It's very similar to Novatech in terms of styling, but it's slightly more aggressive. The front lip is more angular, same with the side skirts, and you also get a rear spoiler and a rear diffuser. We have a video on our channel installing the T Sportline kit, so check that out if you want to see that. Third is Warsteiner. They named their kit Volta. Pretty cool name. Things start to get a little bit more aggressive in terms of styling. The Volta kit has a European sporty look to it. You get a front lip spoiler, side skirts, rear spoiler, and two options for the rear diffuser. The track edition looks awesome. It's a freaking statement, but they also have a street version which is a lot tamer. We've done a lot of these on our channel, so if you want to see what they look like, just hit up our channel and you search them all out there. Starting with Startech, we're now getting into body part replacements. Both the front and rear bumpers will be completely replaced with a more aggressive angular design. You get some side wings and a cool spoiler that doesn't just stop at the trunk, but also covers the rear fenders. It's definitely one of those kits where you want to get the whole thing for a uniform look. Otherwise, the front or the rear of your car may look more aggressive than the other. Fifth is unplugged performance. Just like Startech, you're replacing some panels and you get an entirely newly designed front bumper, side skirts, a big wing, and a new rear bumper with a diffuser. Painting is definitely involved with this kit, especially since you are replacing panels and not just adding to existing ones. Next one is Artisan Spirits. I saw this kit recently and I love how it looks. The kit has two options. You can either get it in carbon fiber or fiberglass. You get a front lip, side skirts, rear diffuser, rear spoiler, front bumper garnishes, front and rear wider fenders, and my favorite part, the fender ducts. It just makes the 3 look so mean, and with the wider fenders, you can now run more aggressive wheels. And now, the most aggressive kit that I have personally seen is from Darwin Pro. There's 3 material options for this kit: regular carbon fiber, forged carbon fiber, and dry carbon fiber. Forged carbon is really neat, so look into this kit if you really like that. Best way for me to describe forged carbon is that it looks more exotic and almost like marble. You get a new front bumper, new rear bumper, a hood, side skirts, wide fender flares, and a trunk spoiler. This is the only kit that I know of that comes with a new hood, which is awesome because that will change the look of the car dramatically. So there you have it, 7 different body kits for the Tesla Model 3, ranging from subtle and conservative to sporty and radical. I didn't put the prices on here because they're always changing, so if you like a kit, just hit up the manufacturer and see what the newest prices are. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If there's a kit that I missed, leave them down below so that way if someone else is looking for a body kit, they can also factor that in. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.